Good day! In this video, I will discuss to you the engineering ethics moral autonomy. Let's proceed to our areas of discussion that we have. The first one is moral autonomy. The second one is skills for improving moral autonomy. And the third one is the moral autonomy in engineering ethics. Moral autonomy. Moral autonomy reflects the concept of individuality. This relates to the idea of building oneself with the moral values one has while developing psychologically. To have moral autonomy in all aspects, one should have a lot of patience and interest, knowledge, and moral honesty. In this section, let us discuss the skills needed for moral autonomy. Ability to relate the problems with the problems of law, economics, and religious principles. It is essential to have the ability to analyze the problems and finding the relation with the existing law or the topic of issue, with the existing principles on that topic, the ability to distinguish between both of them and finding the moral reason. Skill to process, clarify, and understand the arguments against the moral issues. If the issue is against some moral values or the ethical values to be followed in the society, then clarity should be maintained about the differences and similarities. Both of these differences and similarities are to be judged based on what they are, a matter or concern in what aspect. Ability to suggest the solutions to moral issues on the basis of facts. If the moral issues are not fulfilling and needs to be, then the solutions are to be suggested according to moral issues based on the facts and truths of the issue. These suggestions must be consistent and must include all the aspects of the problems. No partially is to be allowed in any such aspect. Must have the imaginative skills to view the problems from all the viewpoints. After having known about the facts and illusions of the issue, a clear understanding is attained in viewing the problems in all kinds of viewpoints. This enables one to be able to suggest a proper alternative solutions. Tolerance while giving moral judgment which may cause trouble. When the whole analysis is made considering all the viewpoints of the issue, the final output might be or might not be pleasing to the person involved. Hence, while declaring the judgment or the decision taken, a detailed description of the actions done should be given. While the action ought to be done should be represented in a better way to ensure others that the decision have been taken without any partialities towards any party. Let's move on to the moral autonomy in engineering ethics. Like what I've said earlier, the values have been already in the minds of engineers. Engineering ethics helps to improve these qualities in a better manner among the engineers, and not inculcating newly. The structural objectives of engineering ethics is to be enable to individuals to understand the moral responsibilities in a clear and careful manner. So, the main aim of studying engineering ethics is to increase the moral autonomy within him. Applying ethics is only to improve their abilities in order to face the moral issues critically. This can only be achieved by improving the practical skills which are helping in producing effective independent or self-determination thoughts among the individuals about the moral problems. Moral autonomy. As we conclude, a moral autonomy it helps an engineers to increase their moral outlook in an appreciable manner. It also helps them to be morally responsible in his or her daily activities. Thank you, and I hope you learned something.